Hi again, guys.
Welcome.
Welcome. Yes, welcome, guys. This is our second video. Okay, guys. This is our second video. Okay, of our staking. As we mentioned on the first video, that we're starting the staking where we decided to join the staking family, guys.
Yes.
Okay, this is our second purchase, guys. Okay, let me just open it for you to see. Okay, it's our second purchase, guys. Okay, just these two coins, guys. Okay, guys, our first coin, it's a Britannia. Yes, guys, it's a Britannia. Okay, our first coin is a Britannia, guys.
Yes.
Looks to be okay, guys. Looks to be okay. Okay, we bought this one locally, guys. We bought this one locally. Yes, we bought this one at this place. What's it called? It's here in Durban. African Bullion. Yes, guys, we bought this African Bullion. We're very not happy with the condition of the coin, guys. We're really not happy. As you can see, you can tell that it's a 2020 coin, but already it's full of milk spot and scratches, guys. It's full of milk spot and the scratches. Okay, maybe, guys, you can give us an advice where to buy. Okay, we can try other people since we're new in this staking game. Okay, as you can tell, the coin is in a very bad condition, guys. It's in a very bad condition, as you can tell. Try to focus so you can see clearly. You can see the coin is in a very bad condition. Okay, it's our second purchase. We're still new. We don't know where to buy, where to go. Okay, let me try and focus so you can see it clearly and properly. Okay, this is Britannia. Okay, guys. Okay, the second coin, it's a Philharmonic. It's a Philharmonic, guys. Okay, it also came with full of mixed spot. It's also a 2020 Bullion, guys. It's a 2020 Bullion. Okay, we're really not happy with the coins we bought this time, guys. We're really not happy. They're full of milk spot, guys. We're really not happy.
Not at all.
We're really not happy with the coins. Okay, this is our second purchase. Okay, we're gonna try, as they always say, the guys are from YouTube, that you must balance your staking. So we're gonna try and go for gold, guys, so we can just balance our stake. We're taking most of the advice from the YouTube videos. So as we knew, we're learning from the people that are already in the game, that they've already done it, guys. So they always preach and mention that you must balance your staking. Okay, so we're gonna go onto the gold side, guys. We're gonna purchase gold and mix with silver, so to keep a balance. Okay, guys. Okay, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, guys, for more of these videos to come. Okay, as we've mentioned on the first video, that it is not too late to start. Anybody can start even if it's 2020, guys, we just decided to start with the 2020 bullion since we are starting in
Already
2020.
got 3 now.
Yes, guys, these 2 coins, guys, are gonna make our stake collection to be 3. Okay, if I can quickly show you the one that we bought first. Okay, the one that we bought, the Kruger end. Okay, this is the Kruger end that we started with. We wanted to keep it proudly South African since we are in South Africa, to start with the Kruger end, guys. Yes, it's a South African mint and we're in South Africa, so we found it that it is
Best way to start.
exactly, guys, it's appropriate, guys, to start with okay, they say keep it local, guys, is to keep it local first, then explore outside. Yes, guys. Okay,
Thank you.
this Kruger end makes our collection to be 3, guys. Okay,
You're not done yet.
we are not done, guys. We are not done. As we said, we're gonna balance our stacks since we're starting, and we started with advice from the guys from YouTube. We started with advice from them, so we'll do as they just mentioned, to balance your stack. Okay, guys, see you on the next video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.
Okay.